Hello. We will talk about content ownership today and creator economy. Why platforms are failing creators. The biggest revolution in creator economy isn't just monetization models or AI-powered content. It's all about ownership. So right now, currently, content creators are tenants on the rented lands, entirely dependent on the platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatsoever. But blockchain has a potential to change that. Let's break it down. The harsh reality, let's face with it first. You don't own the content. Actually you do, but in reality you don't. Imagine that you are waking up one day and your YouTube channel is banned or your video is removed without warning. Your audience gone, your income disappear over the night. So it is not a hypothetical example. It's happening every day, even to very famous content creators. So there are lots of examples around this. And so why is this happening? So because in reality, in the current landscape, creators don't have a right to distribute their content and own the real value on that. With the rise of content and with the fall of algorithm, let's say tech, specifically software tech, the content will be more valuable in following years. So the content creators have a really important power. On that topic, the platforms will not go with the same perspective they look at creators, because there will be a shift from platform centrism to creator centrism. So we see lots of examples, even for example in Patreon, where creators have their direct relationships with the fans. Patreon still takes a cut and can ban accounts at will. So this shift, your content, your community, your revenue, all controlled by someone else, but in the following years, there will be a shift from that perspective, and the creators will gain their own rights to distribute, to own, to get the real revenue on the top of their creations. So how blockchain can fix this? It is through content ownership. Web3 removes the middleman and puts power back into the creator's hands with blockchain-based platforms. How do they do that? So your content, it's stored on these centralized networks. So no single entity cannot delete it. And your audience follows you, not the platform. So you can move to any other service without any loss of your followers. And also you can distribute your content freely between other platforms. So your monetization is peer-to-peer. So there is no revenue split, no algorithmic suspensions or suppressions. So think of that like owning your house instead of renting it. So currently YouTube is a kind of renting, and if the landlord, in this case YouTube, decides they don't like you and you evict it, blockchain is owning. So no one can take it from you, it's yours. Example, imagine a decentralized video platform where your audience subscribes with a crypto wallet, and if one platform fails, you take your audience whatever you go. And also you can have an ownership of that content within different platforms. So how the creators make money without platform control? So let's deep in that. So traditional platforms force creators into unfair monetization models, like YouTube takes 45% of the revenue. It said that, but I assume it's already high. It's very high cut. Comparing that it's a platform just sharing your content to the audience. It's a tech advantage, but it's really a tech advantage nowadays? No. It's a kind of base, it's a kind of user base coming from platform centrism. So Twitch takes 50% of the subscriptions, and TikTok creator fund is unpredictable. It's unknown, let's say. The blockchain monetization is different. For example, you own the content and own the content itself. How do they do it? For example, through NFT memberships. And also fans may hold the creator's NFT to access exclusive content forever or monthly. And also crypto tipping, microtransactions, instant payments. So there is no middleman over there. It's a transaction. So the transaction is done on blockchain without any middleman. So for example, smart contract royalties. Creators can get automatic payouts for every content release, and tokenized ad revenue. Users opt in to see ads and get paid for their attention. Not only the creators, also users can get paid through tokenized ad revenue. So the general concept for ad revenues in current landscape is just between the creator and the platform, and also it's already split by half, but it's not fair because you create the content, you have the ownership, and the distributor usually cannot take that kind of money and that kind of cut. So the example, let's go with an example. Instead of YouTube paying you pennies for views, blockchain-based platforms let you earn directly from your audience without any cut. So Pavilion network is the future of creator-owned media. We call it creator-centric or creator-first media. Pavilion network is building a blockchain-powered video platform where creators own their content, and the content is stored in distributed storage, and also CDN. CDN for performance, and distributed storage for resistance to removal of your content. And fans subscribe directly with crypto, not platform deciding who gets paid, and all of them are transparent. Monetization is decentralized, ads, tips, NFTs, and specialized ad revenue. So all paywalls controlled by creators and not with corporations. No algorithmic suppression. Content is discovered organically, not dictated by some algorithms we don't know. So also one of the advantages of being in Pavilion, working in Pavilion, is that Pavilion is open source. So you will know what's the algorithm behind that and how it's shown to the users. And also the algorithm will be designed and dictated by the community. What's the community? The community will be the content creators, so they will decide what will be the algorithm, what will be shown first, what will be shown last, what will be banned, what will be popped up. So this isn't just an alternative to the current landscape. It should be. It will happen. So this is a creator revolution. It should be. And conclusion, call to action. So if you are a creator, it's time to take back the control. Stop relying on platforms that can raise your content, content over the night, and also they may remove your content, they get half of the split. Blockchain gives you true ownership of your content, your audience, and your income. That's all of our aim with Pavilion Network. Come and join us, and let's create a creator economy together. Bye.